Today, I'm going to be showing you an affordable and high quality webcam that you can use by simply using your phone. Today, I'm going to be telling you about OBS Camera. OBS Camera comes in at a whopping $16, which in my opinion is a good price. The quality that OBS Camera brings to your live streams, in my opinion, is better than most of the webcams. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up OBS Camera and start using it for your live stream. Alright, so to start off, what you're going to want to do is go to your preferred web browser and search up obs.camera. So click, and then you're going to be directed to this website right here. And as you guys could tell, this is just going to be for iOS. So if you do have an Android, I'm very sorry, but it's just going to be for iOS. Alright, so as you see, we have the download button right here. Just click on that to download and you'll be all set. If not, I can link it down below for you guys. And as you guys can see down here, the quality compared to the Logitech C922 HD Pro is very significant. As you guys can see, the colors in the iPhone 6 compared to the Logitech is much more clear, more vibrant. Everything just seems more crisp, which is what we want for our live streams. Some of the features, obviously the quality is very good. Go up to 4K, low latency, even with the 4K. You won't have much problem, especially if you do have a USB connection to the computer. It's gonna help you a whole lot. Obviously, you can do wireless streaming if you want, and it's supported with Mac OS and Windows. You use multiple devices, and then the audio support as well. So I would prefer obviously a microphone if you have one, but if you don't, quality of the audio for the OBS camera is just fine. Alright, so in order to set up OBS camera onto OBS, you're going to want to first off plug in your iPhone into the USB cord, and then you're going to want to go to this plus sign right here. Click on iOS camera, and you're going to want to change up the name if you'd like. You can change it to OBS camera or just leave it to iOS camera. There. Turn this down. But yeah, you're going to see the screen pop up on OBS right here. Sometimes it might just leave you on none right here. Just click on the bottom one and you'll be all set. So then you're going to select OK, and then you'll have this camera quality right here all over the screen. And you can make it smaller if you'd like. So make sure it fits around your face cam outline. Yeah, and then you'll be all set. And that's how you set it up with the USB cable. So before you do get started, you're going to want to make sure you download the iOS camera plugin for OBS Studio. And then they're going to be right here. I'll link the link at the bottom. And then as you guys see, there's the one for Mac on the left and Windows on the right. You just click the one that works for you. And then once it's downloaded, you're going to verify, you're going to install it, and it's going to pop up on your OBS. So I personally would not use the NewTek NDI. I feel like it would mess up a bit with the latency, and even OBS kind of states it themselves, as it takes a lot of bandwidth to transfer video and audio over the network. If your use case relies on low latency, I would recommend using USB or connecting your iOS device to the network with an Ethernet adapter. So yeah, if you are interested in getting the NewTek NDI, I'm going to link this page right here below. And then it's going to tell you all the steps how to download the NewTek NDI plugin for OBS, how to install it right here. And then it's going to tell you how to configure it. It's pretty simple. And then once you configure it, it's going to pop up on your OBS studio scene. And after that, it should be as simple as plugging it in with the USB cable. The reason I use a USB cable, obviously for latency, I feel like that's very important for live streams. It's just much easier to work with trying to align, say you play a video game and the webcam. It's kind of hard to tell the alignment sometimes with your Wi-Fi. But yeah, I would recommend the USB cable. You've installed everything, it's all set up, now you're ready to live stream. Well, I've been using OBS camera in the intro and in this outro right here in order to show you the crisp quality of this very app. Like I said, it's $16 and it's a quarter of the price of any webcam, and in my opinion, it's some of the best quality. I hope you guys enjoyed this video right here, and I hope that helped at all. If it did, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe, and follow me on my Twitch channel as well. You guys, have a good one.